Hey girls, this is Lorelli with WTI, and this is simply the best lipstick you're gonna buy. It's the Revlon Color Stay Lip Gloss, and let me tell you, I am obsessed with this. It is easy to apply. If you make a mistake, it's easy to just wipe off. But the magic comes a few seconds later when it dries. First of all, you won't even feel it's dry because it feels and looks moist on your lips. But if you touch it, you'll realize that the color won't transfer to your fingers. My husband doesn't like when I kiss him with lipstick because they stain, but he lets me do it as soon as I clarify I'm wearing Revlon Color Stay. Look, for this take I made sure I really pressed my lips on the mug, and you can barely even see the stain. Another reason I love this lip gloss is that you can remove it very easily. I'm telling you, this is the best lipstick I've ever bought and I'm obsessed. And this is why I really recommend using this lip gloss. And that is my point of view.